So today was our First Choice Repair Network second annual event. We had 51 of our vendors from our 150 First Choice Repair Network vendors from across the state. We really appreciate them. Some have traveled from great distances from Pensacola and South Florida to join us today. All of our staff has been out having one-on-one conversations and being able to finally put a face with a name with our First Choice Repair Network valued partners.
Our advantage at Security First is we'd like to provide our insureds with solutions, not just a check. Today we bring in those vendors and those trusted partners who bring that solutions to life. These are our contractors, our roofers, our engineers, our water mitigation people who are there when the incident happens to help bring our customers' homes back to normal.
We had our fire truck out back at 1:30 where we knocked down bowling pins, if you will. Bowling pins were parking cones. We got to use Locke's fire truck, which was fantastic. We appreciate him letting us use that. And ice cream served by Mimi's and Rita's out back behind our kitchen as well for our staff. So all in all, it's been a wonderful day. Thank you again. We appreciate it.